This woman was sleeping when a python suddenly crawled on her bed, but she wasn't awake. She just felt a sudden chill under her body. To some extent, she enjoyed this feeling. At noon today, the girl came to the water to untie her pants and took off all her clothes. Then she jumped into the cold lake, but she didn't notice there was a man by the shore. She realized it was dangerous and quickly swam out of the water. Suddenly, there was a strong wind. It blew away the girl's clothes. This made her very scared. How can she go up without clothes? Then she noticed a man was reading a book by the shore. The girl had no choice but to ask the man to help her find clothes. After getting the clothes, the girl quickly came out of the water and left this embarrassing place. But the man was still in her mind. At night, the girl lay in bed and fell asleep. At that time, a python crawled on her bed. When she fell asleep, her body only felt a cold feeling, but she enjoyed it a little. She even lost her way in her dream. Suddenly, the python became a man in the daytime. The girl woke up. She found she was the only one on the bed. She realized it was just a dream. But what shocked her was that the girl didn't know there was a python under her bed.